Good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, April 7th, I think. And you're probably wondering, Danielle, why do you have makeup on? You look like you're, I don't know, leaving the house. I'm not, unless I decide to go to Starbucks or something. But no, in fact, I'm actually doing a live with my friend Megan, who I took a public speaking masterclass from last year. And we're doing an Instagram live, so I thought maybe I should like make myself look presentable. I've got one of my button hair clips in. There's some on the website if you're interested. I straightened my hair. We start in like 4 minutes and I'm waiting for my AirPods to charge enough that I can actually use them. And I'm a little concerned that they won't be charged in time and I'll have to break out ones that actually plug into my phone, which I'm not even sure I have, to be honest. So get out of the way. A very exciting thing arrived today. It's a new ironing board. So I have this one over here, but it's too long for that space, and it's quite stained, and honestly I just sort of needed a new one, and so I bought this one. Not even sure like if I can show you. I guess we'll set that there. We'll see. Do not fall. Oh, it is really in this box. Oh, okay. Hello. Hi. I can't move any further away from my body because I'm wearing something I made for a video that's coming out in May. So, I don't want you to see it, but also I don't need you to see all of my wrinkles. I do this a lot when I'm working, and I find at the end of the day my forehead hurts a lot and my right here hurts a lot. And oh man, it's really time to get my eyebrows done again. They're quite disappeary. Anyway, I really can't move away because then you'll see the thing that I made, and I don't want to give away how it turned out. I mean, I'm wearing it, so spoiler, but I did want to show you. I've deconstructed a necklace that I thrifted, and I wanted to show you that. Words, hard, so hard. I am just gonna do like a little time-lapsey bit of me making some jewelry. It's been a long while since I made some jewelry. So, oh, I'm giving away. Got distracted. I'm trying to take the phone mount off of my tripod. There it goes. My dog got frightened by the loud noise. I'm gonna put you on a little tripod and tilt you to where you can see what I'm doing. and not see my whole outfit. Okay. Okay, so I've been sitting here for several hours. I've had dinner, and all that jazz, and I've come back. Apparently I'm making like a whole rose quartz mini collection because I've been at this for hours, and I found these like tiny, well, not tiny, they're not that small, but like these little like rose quartz round beads in my stash that go with these like rose quartz chips that I got off that necklace. You know, they're super small, and so I figured, okay, I have these pre-made necklace chains that are really small. They're like 18 inches. And a while back, I bought extenders to put on them, like 3-inch long extenders, so that they can be longer and like I can wear them. So my neck is like 18 inches around. I measured it once. Because I buy necklaces for my friend Sherry all the time, and so she custom makes them for me. And I need to know. So I bought extenders to go on those because I want to use up the necklaces. I've had them for probably 10 years, and they're like gold plated and silver plated, so they're really nice, but they're always been too short, right? So what I've done is I've made these little like rose quartz choker necklaces that have a removable like 3-inch extension on them. I also have silver ones with these like rhodium plated extensions, so they're not as bright silver as they should be, but that was my fault in ordering them. Still gonna use them. And with an extender, this one is also 3 inches, but like just slightly short, which is not what I ordered, but I ordered 3-inch extenders and they don't extend it 3 inches, but that's what I've got. So I was able to use up some of the chains had corroded. Maybe they got wet or something, the silver ones. So I wasn't able to use all of them. Actually no, only one was bad, but now I'm using up the rest of the gold ones, and I'm sort of like destashing what I have so I don't have to buy new. And like once they're gone, I won't make any more of them because they're so small and they're not very size inclusive, you know? So that's what I've been doing. Let me show you the earrings. So these are these like 3-bit mini hoops. So like you put them in your ear and this is what they'll look like. So I've got 5 pairs of those, and then I've got 1, 2, 3, 5 pairs of these rose quartz like cluster hoops. They look like they're the same style as our vintage pearl ones, where there's a bunch of little charms on the hoops. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. I have 2 more necklaces to make, and I have to put them in packaging, and like the only packaging I really have is like these things that I got from Michael's forever ago. I hate them, but they keep the chain contained because there's like a little pocket and you fold it over. Anyway, they're a total pain in the ass because you have to like, it's just such a struggle, to be honest. The silver ones have just a slightly smaller chain, so they slide all over the place. The gold ones are a little better. You have to like stuff it all in this pocket and then fold it over. And then tuck it in the little flap on the back. And this packaging, it's not, like, I don't like the style of it. I don't have anything that's like craft envelope-y or craft paper-y at all. So it doesn't match, but I want to use them up. And if I'm going to make them, then I'll use that packaging. Because I don't really have any necklaces any other way. Like, so, you know, anyway. So I'm just going to make up these last two. So the detachable extender, kind of, I'll show you how it works. So I know these are super small, so it's going to be hard to see. So you have like this little end that attaches to the clasp, and what I've been doing is I've been hooking the lobster claw of the extender to that, and then I've been hooking the clasp to the first jump ring in the extender, so it's on its shortest setting. Okay, so this is like as big as it'll be. And I've tried one of these on. It fits really nicely right about here on me when I've got it on the full extender. So yeah, then I take a jump ring. I take my 2 sets of pliers, and it really does require 2 sets of pliers. Like, you need the second set to help open it. Feed a little bead on, and then through the chain, and close it. So it's not like going through the whole of the chain. The bead is free to move around, you know, back and forth. Yeah, so that's how that works. And I'm not sure what I'll price these at, really. Like, they're going to basically just like be gone. Like, when they're gone, pretty much. Maybe like 25. They are real rose quartz beads that I bought a while back. So yeah, and like the prices are on all the necklace packaging still, so I know how much it cost me. I just, like, I've had it for so long, it's more about just getting it out of here than anything. Like, it's such a pain in the butt to package like this. Okay, happy Friday, people. I know it's quite high up. There we go. I'm holding you to the top of my sewing machine because I'm not really sure what else to do with you. Okay, so it's Friday evening. I was supposed to film a video today, and I'll be honest, with the announcement that we're getting a new announcement about more restrictions on Ontario, my brain just basically shut down and was like, no, we're not working today. So instead I read my book. I did some online shopping from some local businesses. I went out and picked up those online shopping things. I bought a leather skirt on Facebook Marketplace for actually a very reasonable price, so I will keep that in mind when sourcing things in the future. I did look at fabric on Marketplace, but I'm just gonna say it was way overpriced for the garbage that it was, so won't be looking there. To source materials, I will just use what I've got till I run out, then I'll panic. And I won't be running out anytime soon. So anyway, I really want to feel like I achieved something today. So I'm going to keep working on the wire headbands and scrunchies that I started on stream on Thursday. So basically what I need to do on all the wire headbands is sew this strip here. I'm not even sure if you can see it, but you'll see like a little white stitch line. I need to sew that on all of them so that when I turn it outside, like right side out, I can feed the wire into it, so it has its own little channel to stay in. So yeah, that's what I need to do, and then I can basically sew around the outside, leave a little hole for turning it right side out, and then you know, put the wire in and finish them off and stuff. So I need to do that. I thankfully still get to go to my job tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday, so I still get to go to Happy Thoughts and pass out people's orders, their online orders. We do pick up and delivery, and we ship within Canada, but you know, I think people were panic shopping a lot today, thinking, oh my god, they're not gonna be even able to do pickup starting Monday. There was a lot of, like, we had no idea what was coming because we just kind of went into new restrictions a week ago, so I didn't think there was gonna be any more. Yeah, thankfully, we can still, you know, small business can still have the little shred of what they've got. And I'm excited for that, which means I get to go to work tomorrow from like 12 to 4. People come, pick up their items, they shop, I pack their orders. Yeah, it's fun, it's quiet, it gives me time to do other work that I probably should have been doing during the week but didn't. And yeah, it's just a little bit of time outside my house with a little bit of social interaction without it being too overwhelming, you know? Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna sew, so I will do a little time-lapsey bit of sewing. I'm not sure if you guys even like that. Like, do you like basically just watching a lot of sped up footage of stuff? Because I can't put it in real time. I can put like a minute of real time, but it would be very boring. It would be like 30 minutes of just sewing machine. So I'm not sure if you like that or not. I don't know. So anyway, I'm gonna put you on a box or something as a little bit of a height, and we'll get to sewing, I guess. Well, hello. This is the end of the video. I'm just gonna set you down there. There we go. Hopefully that stays. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out. This was filmed over the space of a couple of weeks, so it might be quite long and all over the place, but I appreciate you watching and hanging out with me. And I guess I will see you guys soon. Bye.